guys, it's again me, Monica. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect risotto with the porcini mushroom. So let's start. First thing you're gonna do is to place the porcini mushroom, the dried one, in some water, okay, for 36 hours. So then they are ready and we can start cooking. So just to remind you, all the ingredients you're gonna see, you can find in the market in Piola briquette. So first thing you need to do is to remove the mushroom from the water, but don't throw the water away because we're gonna need it as a broth. Okay, now let's put the mushroom in a separate bowl. We have the broth ready. What we need to add is one stalk of celery. So let's wash it and let's put it in the pot. Okay, you can cut it in two. Celery, one whole carrot, and we add also half of onion. Okay, you don't need to chop it. Nothing really needs to be chopped. We put in medium heat. Once you have your broth ready, so with the onion, carrot and celery, we add some fine salt in it and some black pepper, fresh black pepper. And we bring to boil, okay, for a little bit. Now, next step is gonna be to put some olive oil in this pan. Let's put 3 tablespoons. Once the olive oil is warm, we can add 2-3 garlic. I like to crush it so it spread the aroma much better. Okay, let's stir a little bit. What we're gonna do is to add the mushroom into the pan. If you like, you can remove the garlic. I like to remove it. So the mushroom needs to become soft and brown, okay? Let's remove the garlic. This is the rice we're gonna use. Is arborio rice, Italian, is the best for the risotto. Let's stir the mushroom. Next step, it will be to add the rice on the pan, okay, in the pan. So how I measure the rice? It's 2 portions. So I'm gonna use this little coffee cup and I put 2 cup in the pan. So we need to stir, okay? The next step is to add some broth. So little by little, we're gonna add the broth to the pan. Okay, let's start with the 2 big spoons for now, and let's stir it, okay? We need to stir it until it's drained again. So as you can see, when the risotto took all the broth, we need to add some more, and then again some more. Okay, let's keep stirring. Let's add again some broth. So you need to keep going like that until the rice is al dente, okay? So don't overcook. We put the last broth left. Stir all the time, all the time. Now we're gonna put some butter. Let's stir it again. Let's put the heat low. because remember the risotto has to be al dente, not overcooked. And we're gonna add also some Parmesan cheese. Okay, now let's plate it. Okay, let's put in the plates. So be gentle when you stir the risotto because we don't want to break the rice, okay? Now let's serve it. Okay, you can always add more Parmesan if you like. And here we are. Buon appetito. Amazing, buonissimo. Buon appetito.